Thank you. Thank you very much once again for being with us these past 3 days. Thank you for your active participation and for all of your support. I hope you've accelerated your software skills and that you feel full of knowledge, full of enthusiasm and inspiration. Huge thanks to all of our experts who performed so beautifully over the entire course of our joint Jira event, and for joining us despite any inconveniences that it might have caused them.
Let's play a game. This game is called Good Idea, Bad Idea.
Hey there, Jira lovers. Welcome to the Jira Day 2021. This is my hello to you, dear SAFe experts, Jira nerds, RTEs, SBCs, CIOs, CTOs, or just anyone interested in learning about SAFe in Jira.
Oh no, the demo's gone wrong.